All right, we're getting back to this thingy here. It's a cell phone pouch that I've been working on. Now I've done some work on it. I got the belt loop on the back, and it is designed for an 1.5-inch belt. And I am going to mold it so it fits the belt better. But I want it to fit in a way where it doesn't flop around. So it's going to be kind of a snug fit. Anyway, I've got it dyed. I finished the back side. There's a top coat on the inside of the belt loop. I haven't top coated the back side of it yet. The inside is top coated. All the others have been dyed, and now it's time to glue it. So I'm going to take my contact cement. Oh, first of all, I took my dividers and I kind of eyeballed about how wide I want them to be as far as the stitch line goes. Because I'm going to stitch these two pieces together, and I scratched a line along the edge, and that'll be my glue line. So the next step is just to spread glue, and I'm dripping glue, and that's not good. Where I have scratched that line. Now this is contact cement, so I'm going to apply the contact cement, let it sit until it gets tacky, and then I can just push the two sides together. I can't talk today. I guess I'm too distracted by all that sunshine outside. A lot of times when I'm making these videos, I gotta apologize because there's not much light because it's so dreary out. But lately it's been bright and sunny and warm, and we've been out playing in it. Camping and hiking, my wife and I. Doing all kind of fun stuff. That's one of the reasons we moved out here to the mountains of West Virginia. Was to go outside and play. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing up that edge, and then when we get back, I'll mash it together and put a couple of clamps on it. Okay, I've given it some time, and the cement is tacky. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. And I can go ahead and stick it together. Like I said, it's contact cement. So, once the two sides stick together, they stick together. I'm only going to put a clamp down at the bottom because that's where it's folded over at, and that's the only place it's going to want to pull apart. Okay. Actually, I need to mash it down a little more. Use a mallet.
It's not like that.
There we go. I know, I'm looking kind of clumsy here. Okay. So I'm going to clamp it down at the bottom, because that really needs to be held together, and the spring clamps will do fine. The rest of it, if I just push it together, it'll stick. And it doesn't really need much more than that. I could line the whole thing with clamps, and actually when I first started doing this, I came from a woodworking background. I would do that. I put clamps all up and down the sides of these things, and I found out it wasn't really necessary. Okay, that side's stuck down. I'm going to go ahead and do this other side. Got a piece of fuzz stuck to it. Yeah, when you have cats, you got fuzz around the house.
Your cat doesn't like the noise.
Well, they better get used to it. They should be used to it by now.
They're used to it, they still don't like it.
I know Zachary didn't like it. All right. Now I need to let that sit and dry for a while, and then we'll sand it and get those and get it ready for stitching.